44-year-old Joseph Raymond pleaded not guilty, though the family of the man he's accused of killing was in court. The judge sided with them, setting his bail up to $1 million.
His prior criminal history.
The parents of 38-year-old Makos O'Neill waited quietly in the courtroom as the man charged in their son's killing entered a plea.
Not guilty.
Investigators say the violence began as a verbal argument inside a Lynnwood bar on Friday, April 10th, before escalating outside, where witnesses reported hearing gunshots minutes later.
We know that there was at least one gunshot, if not two. Some witnesses reported hearing 2 shots. He then proceeds to get in his Ford F-150 and speed out of the parking lot, fleeing the scene, does not render aid, does not call for help.
O'Neill was found with a gunshot wound, later died of his injuries. 44-year-old Joseph Raymond was arrested hours later.
I am here today to ask the court to deny bail and keep the defendant in custody. He is a menace to society.
My son was unarmed. He took his life for nothing. And I want justice served. That's all I want, Your Honor.
Raymond's defense signaling self-defense as the case heads to trial.
Mr. Raymond did leave the pub, but then he called the police, told them where he was, stated he wanted to turn himself in. He also told the police that this was a self-defense case.
O'Neill's family describes him as a loving father who is deeply involved in his community and a dedicated youth soccer coach. Prosecutors confident the reality of this situation will be revealed.
What the facts show is that the defendant became more and more agitated as viewed on the surveillance video over the course of this evening. What is very clear is that the defendant shoots an unarmed man.
And while defense says that the suspect in this case called 911 to turn himself in, investigators say they were already after him, saying that when he left the bar, he also left his credit card with his full legal name on it. In Everett, Sebastian Robertson, King 5 News.